Hello stars, welcome and welcome back to the channel. Today I show you how I made this beautiful African threading hairstyle on Ibuchim using two easy methods, so you want to watch till the end so you don't miss any. My hair has been washed the day before. I've applied treatment and conditioners, so now I'm going to be just detangling the hair. I put it in that protective hairstyle just to stretch it out because I do not like to use hot irons or hot combs on their hair. First thing I'm going to be doing after detangling her hair properly is to section her hair. I'll be sectioning into two equal parts from ear to ear. So I have the front section and the back section. Now I'm going to start working with the back section. This back section, I'm also going to be sectioning it into three sections. Yeah, so I've sectioned out one part. I'll hold that with a rubber band and then section the rest into three. So for the back section, I have a total of three squares. Yeah. And now for the front sections, I'm going to part into two squares. So in total I have about 5 medium box square sections. Now to each of that section, I'm going to be using Eco Styler gel to gather the ends and the edges together, and then I'm using a small black rubber band to hold it tightly, not too tightly, just to hold the hair together. Make this hair, I'm also going to be making use of kinky. So now I'm going to be taking that kinky and braiding it into her hair. Then I take about 5 strands of Brazilian wool and I start tying it. The length of the hair is totally up to you. I do not want my daughters to be too long, hence it's going to be disturbing her. And then once I get my desired length, I'm going to hold that kinky together, and then I'm going to tie it to have this chunky end mimicking her natural hair. Then I'm going to cut off every excess and then fold the hair. Now I'm going to repeat the same process for all of these other boxes except for the ones in the front. I'll repeat it for the 3 more boxes except for the 2 in front. I'll use a different method for that. So what I'm doing is braiding in the kinky, taking about 4 to 5 strands of Brazilian wool and tying the hair. Then after I tie to my desired length, I'll gather the kinky, like folding it in, then tying it to get this chunky end, just like so. And then after that, I am not going to be, you can choose to cut the excess, or you can just fold the excess into the hair just like I am doing here. So I guess in total I used about 3 methods for this hairstyle. And now for the second and the easiest method you can try to make this hair, I'm going to be using this front section to show you. I'll spread the hair with water, then use Eco Styler to gather the edges and the hair together. Use a brush to brush it through, and then I'll hold it with a rubber band just like I did the rest. Then after tying the hair with a black rubber band, I'm going to brush the hair out, comb the hair out, and then I am going to braid her natural hair. I'm going to be braiding that chunk of natural hair all the way to the tip. Yes, after braiding that, then I'll grab my kinky extension, and then I'll braid it just a little into her natural hair. And then I'm going to be taking about 4 to 5 strands of Brazilian wool, and now I'm going to start tying. This method is very, very good, especially if you don't know how to fold African threading hairstyle like I'm doing. With this method, you already have something folded on its own. It's like you have folded it while you braided it. I don't know if you understand, but it's really, really good and easy and everything. And then I'll try it. I'll repeat the process with the downside just like I did for the back, just folding it in, tying the kinky so that I'll have that chunky end. And then I am not going to be cutting off the excess. No, I am going to be folding every excess into that ball, into that chunky ball that we have there. Just watch what I am doing here. After I'm done tucking the extension into each other, I'm going to fold it, and we have this beautiful, gorgeous African threading hairstyle. It's so beautiful. Let me know if you're going to be trying this hairstyle. Give me your corrections. I'm open to take correction. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in our next one. Bye, loves.